Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix App Store not working on your device. Now if you are still facing the problem of App Store not working or keeps on loading on the loading page or home page of App Store, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Now as you can see on the screen that I cannot look for the app which I'm trying to look, and it keeps on saying can I connect or something went wrong. So to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi. So as I'm already connected, still not working, so I'll simply clean the phone on airplane mode for a few seconds, and after that I'll simply turn it off. So after doing this, that it will help you to reset all the network settings at once. After doing that, if it is working, then that's good. If it is not working, then you need to simply open. So as you can see, it has already been fixed, and I'm able to use the price peaks, or I'm able to use the App Store again. So as you can see, the error has been fixed in a very easy step. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.